everyone, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Irene from Adroit Architecture, and I'm very excited to share this video with you today. If you're new here, we are all about making quality architectural and construction services accessible to all. We believe your dream home shouldn't be out of reach, and we are here to make it a reality for you. As always, we invite you to like our videos. We also invite you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Kindly support us. Your support means the world to us. Turn on your notifications so that you can be notified every time we have a new video up. And let's get to our video today. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce to you the Tamasha 5-bedroom house plan. And let me tell you guys, this home is absolutely stunning. Picture this, a home so versatile and beautifully designed that it works perfectly for a boutique guest house or an upscale Airbnb. Imagine hosting guests in complete comfort with multiple entertainment spaces where everyone can relax and enjoy their own private area. Or perhaps you're looking at the high-end rental market. This home definitely delivers that luxury and appeal that discerning tenants are looking for. So what makes the Tamasha home design so special? Well, let me highlight some of my favorite features. First of all, this home is incredibly generous with space. We are talking about 2 master and suite bedrooms. Yes, 2. One on the ground floor and another one upstairs. This is perfect for multi-generational living or giving your guests that VIP treatment. The layout features beautiful, expansive, semi-open plan spaces that create this wonderful flow throughout the home. You love how easily you can move from one room to another. It just feels so natural and inviting. And outdoor living, we've got you covered with several balconies and outdoor spaces. You can literally host multiple groups at once, each enjoying their own special spot, whether they are inside or under the beautiful Kenyan sky. Let's take a walk through this gorgeous home, starting with the ground floor. As you arrive, you're welcomed by a semi-enclosed entrance porch that leads you into a spacious entrance lobby. This isn't just any lobby. It's the perfect space to greet your guests and create such a warming first impression. From here, everyone can easily flow into different areas of the home. Turn left and you'll find yourself in an incredibly spacious living room with plenty of room for all your furniture and for all your family gatherings. Look right and there's an equally generous dining room, complete with a fireplace. Can you imagine those wonderful dinner parties on a cool evening? Just ahead of the dining area, we have the heart of the home, a spacious kitchen complete with a beautiful kitchen island that offers additional seating. It is perfect for casual breakfast or keeping your guests company while you cook. Now, we haven't forgotten about practicality. Next to the kitchen, there's a dedicated pantry for all your storage needs. Because, let's be honest, you can never have too much storage, right? And speaking of practical spaces, we have a proper laundry room where your washer and dryer can fit comfortably with extra storage for all your laundry essentials. Plus, there's an exit right there to the backyard. No more carrying laundry basket throughout the whole house. For your guests' convenience, there's a cloakroom thoughtfully tucked away next to the staircase, ensuring maximum privacy. Now let me tell you all about the backyard. There's a door right next to the staircase that opens up to this wonderful outdoor space. It's perfect for setting up a cozy sitting area where you can relax and enjoy the views of your back garden. Trust me, this will become everyone's favorite spot for outdoor entertaining. At the end of the ground floor, we have the bedrooms. There's a well-sized guest bedroom, comfortable enough for 2 people with its own private bathroom, perfect for visitors or family members who value their independence. And then we have the downstairs master and suite bedroom. It's spacious, luxurious, and comes complete with a walk-in closet and of course the private bathroom. Everything you need for comfortable, elegant living. Let's venture upstairs. The upper floor has a lovely passage that connects all the rooms beautifully. First up is another spacious master bedroom. And when I say spacious, I mean it. This room features a generous ensuite bathroom, a walk-in closet, and get this, your own private front-facing balcony. Imagine starting your mornings out there with a beautiful cup of coffee. Then we have 2 additional bedrooms, and these aren't just ordinary bedrooms. Each one has its own walk-in closet and private bathroom. Talk about luxury. They also each have their own balconies, one overlooking the back of the property and the other one facing the front. Your guests and your family will feel so well taken care of. Near the staircase, we have a cloakroom for your guests, and we also have another storage room because, as we said earlier, storage is key. And here is something I absolutely love. We've created a dedicated family room upstairs. This is your space for cozy movie nights, cozy game nights, or just relaxing together as a family. It features a fireplace to keep things warm and inviting, and there's access to the large front-facing balcony from there. All these balconies create wonderful opportunities to set up intimate outdoor sitting areas. Whether you want to read a book, enjoy sunset views, or have a quiet conversations, you've got options. Let's talk numbers for a moment. The total size of this beautiful home is 414 square meters. That breaks down to 234 square meters on the ground floor and 180 square meters upstairs. The balconies add another 51 square meters of outdoor living spaces. The overall footprint measures 25.9 meters by 10.9 meters. This beautiful home design will fit perfectly on a 1/4 acre piece of land, leaving you with a lot of space for your gardens. Now, I know you're wondering about the investment required. As at November 2025, the estimated construction cost of this home is approximately 20 million Kenya shillings. We base our estimates on the Construction Cost Handbook, which is published and updated annually by the Institute of Quantity Surveyors of Kenya. So you can trust these figures, and they are very well researched. So if you're interested in this home design or any other design we have featured on this YouTube channel, get in touch with us. We can customize any of our house plans to fit your needs and to fit your budget. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in our next video.